Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang. We're here to talk about help with polynomials and monomials in algebra. Now, the one thing you want to consider here is that polynomials can mean one or more terms depending on what you're given, whereas monomials is a one-term polynomial. Sounds kind of weird, but understand that monomials are one term, always. And so when you're working with monomials, the operations hopefully will be pretty straightforward in terms of the work, whereas if you're working with polynomials, the work can be a little more depending on how many terms that you have to work with. So polynomials is a little more generic. Now, if you're talking about operations such as addition or subtraction, it's pretty straightforward. When it comes to monomials, let's just say if you have 3ab squared times ab plus 5, for example, this being a polynomial, if you multiply, this will be 3a squared b cubed plus 15ab squared. Now, dividing is a little more complicated. If you have, let's just say, 5b squared plus 16a, all that over the monomial 3ab, what you can do is break it up into two separate terms because it's a monomial down here. So this will be 5b squared over 3ab plus 16a over 3ab. So if you do the cancellations here, the b squared and the b reduces, the a's cancel in the second term, so you're left with 5b over 3a plus 16 over 3b. Now, the bottom line here is when you have polynomials, it takes a little more time, but working with monomials, the work can be pretty straightforward. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's a glimpse into help with polynomials and monomials in algebra.